Good morning, everyone. Today I'm working on my swim platform. I actually just finished making it yesterday and I glued it up. It's right over here. I just finished gluing it, putting it together. I have it within these braces. I made a brace with a 2x4 and a 2x4 to hold it because I don't have any clamps large enough to cover it. So that's what I did so far. This is going to go on the back of my transom about 2 feet back. So I'm going to have a 2-foot swim platform. And I also built 2 of these little doojiggies here. Kind of like a frame. Now you notice it's not square. It has an 8-degree angle for the motor. So what I am going to do is, this one is going to go right here like this. And this one like this here, and so that way they're going to connect to the transom, which already has an 8-degree slant, and so that the transom and the swim platform will have the same slant. So the motor will fit great on that, and this is going to make a nice little motor well for the water. And this part here will be a platform for walking on, so will that part. And they're going to probably have a little door at the top so you can reach in and store things. So what I'm going to do now is take it out of the mold and show it to you. And I'm going to connect it to the back of the transom. And I'll show you what it looks like there. So here it is with the 24-inch extenders already done. They're not glued on yet. I just have them sitting there. They still need to be adjusted and shaved a little bit or sanded on the edges. I'm going to take a look and see how it fits right now. I'm not going to connect it yet, but before I do, I need to make sure that my keelson is down, and I have a lot more measuring to do with the frames and the roundedness and the curves and all that before I can put that on. So I need to get everything glued on and glued and screwed before I could put on the swim platform, but I just want to make sure everything fits. So let's take a look. Like this here. All right. Now I'm a one-man show, so I have to make these little jigs to be able to have things fit by myself. There we go. So that should pretty much hold that. And yeah, as you can see, the keelson fits pretty much perfectly. It's going to come down a little bit, but once I glue it and screw it, it's going to come down better. Now this is going to be an 8-degree angle. It's going to be more like this. But I don't want to put too much because I'm not going to be able to hold it up there for right now. So let's kind of go less with the angle. The only thing holding it there. And this is going to come down over here. And the other one is pretty much over here. So I'm not going to move that. And I made these as the separators. These, so it's nice and plywooded on this side, and it's made with an 8-degree angle. And those are going to go here in between. There we go, to space that. And see, now I can put this down. That's going to hold it. There we go. So I'm going to have this one here, and I have another one to go over there. So that's going to be the swim platform. Platform is going to be right here, and of course the motor is going to go right here. All I need to do, like I said, is to get the boat shaped up well, glue everything and screw it, then this will go on. So I hope you enjoyed my swim platform frame, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye now.